Hey! In front of me is Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select where you're using the app and allow. Finally, you can click Home button and go into Settings. From here, go into Privacy. Apps over here. Scroll all the way down and go into Default Apps. Now you need to select Home app here and tap on iOS 1. Then choose Got It, and as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my Google device. But you can always switch between them by going into the same settings and tapping on Pixel on iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!